There are some pretty gross habits, they just stick to us, and no matter how much we want to get rid of them it's just so dang hard to, but maybe these habits aren't so bad after all. Let's see what disgusting things you probably do every day. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more articles like this. Number 6. And my personal favorite, farting. Maybe this one isn't exactly a habit since it's simply a bodily function. But that doesn't mean it's not embarrassing, especially if you're not alone. In a perfect world our body wouldn't humiliate us like this. But it's really not as bad as it seems. In fact, farting is really important. You might not know this, but your body passes gas about 14 times a day and approximately 3 to 5 times wisely. You see, your digestive tract starts producing carbon dioxide and methane about 6 hours after eating, and farting help your body get rid of these gases. So if you usually try to hold your farts in, you might want to stop doing that. Holding the gas and can easily cause abdominal pain and bloating. If you rip a big one regularly, it means that the bacteria in your gut, which happens to power your immune system, healthy and getting all the nutrients they need. Number 5. Picking your nose and eating your boogers. I agree. Okay, I think we can all agree that this is the worst habit on the list. So far you're probably thinking there's absolutely no way that picking your nose and consuming what comes out on your finger can possibly be good for you. But it is, according to a study published by the American Society for Microbiology and conducted by scientists from different universities including Harvard. Eating boogers may actually help boost your immune system since they contain salivary mucin back and fight cavity-causing bacteria. I thought it was just like nasal recycling. Basically, when eat the boogers you trigger your immune system to release white blood cells in order to defend itself against a certain type of bacteria. Your system comes out way stronger. Number 4. Peeing in the shower. Well, it's something we never admit to, but most if not all of us do it. According to Glamour magazine, they surveyed 1,000 women, and asked them different questions including whether or not they pee in the shower. And guess what? Nearly 75% of the poll takers confessed to having done it at least once in their life. So is it something we should be ashamed of? And the uric acid and ammonia in European can help prevent fungal growth around your toes. Number 3. Burping. So if it's not coming out of one end as coming out the other. Some of us are still a little embarrassed by burping, but living a good burger about after you've had a huge meal is nothing you should be ashamed of. It's actually good for your stomach, since it helps relieve all their gaseous pressure inside, suppressing a belting, keeping gas inside your stomach. On the other hand, may cause gastric acid to splash up into your gullet, which can then trigger chest pain. However, if you notice that you're burping too much throughout the day, well, that's not a good sign either. In this case you should see a doctor immediately, as it might be a symptom of acid reflux. Number 2. Chewing gum. Even though constantly chewing gum isn't that great habit to have, in moderation it's not that bad. Gum doesn't have any nutritional benefits, true, but different studies have shown that there are actually some good things you can get out of gum besides bubbles. After conducting an experiment on the subject, psychologist at St. Lawrence University concluded that chewing gum helps you study. It is good for test taking, even better than caffeine. And that's because chewing gum helps you focus, sharpens your memory, reduces stress and balances your hormones by raising your cortisol levels. Number 1. Biting your nails. Nail biting is another really common habit that seems to magically make us feel better whenever we're stressed out. Of course it's disgusting and dirty, but it's also good for you. When you bite your nails you consume some of the bacteria on and underneath them. But in fact this causes your immune system to start producing white blood cells that help fight these bacteria. Your body also registers these bacteria in its memory bank, so if you encounter a certain stranding, again you'll already have the lymphocytes capable of beating it. So really it kind of means that we're doing our system a favor by biting our nails. Plus, a study published in the journal Pediatrics concluded that kids who suck their thumbs or nibble their nails are less likely to suffer from allergies. Did this video help you? What is your opinion about the learning you had today from the video? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Also, keep in mind subscribing to our channel to stay tuned with upcoming mysterious videos every week.